another morning. Oh, Basil, you're gonna make a pizza pie so happy, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh, you people! Hey, good morning, it's me, Giuseppe Cassandro. And this morning, I was checking the Basil right before I go to work, And you're not gonna believe what's going on in the pool, huh? This morning, I found a dead chipmunk in my pool. This has got to be like the third one, huh? I mean, these chipmunks, huh? This isn't a summer camp, huh? This isn't Manalapan Rec Center. You gotta go swimming in my pool. And guess what? You need to have a life vest, huh? A little chipmunk life vest. I mean, you're not gonna make it in the deep end, huh? And maybe the chlorine is not cooperating with you, huh? Hey, chipmunks out there in America, huh? Don't go swimming without a life vest, huh? And do me a favor, stay out of my pool, okay? I'll see you later, people. Gabish.